What's your name, kid?
Comes up.
What's your name, kid?
Will. Martin Bolo. He comes up. Goalie shot. He shoots. He scores.
He scores or saves it?
A goal, because I shoot a goalie goal.
Oh, well, the goalie goal.
He comes. He don't know where the puck is, but he saw the puck right there, so he covered it. But then the puck fell out of his hands, so he saved. Save that mono! Cheese!
Three.
Second quarter. Giants have a ball. Right? Touchdown for Giants! Woo! Big Beaver! Big Beaver! Beat that!